another lover sweeter than you, sweeter than you. And I'll never find another lover more precious than you, precious than you.